Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password on the Merge Mansion game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Merge Mansion game on your device. And once it is opened up and connected to the server, you will be logged into your account. And if you haven't done so already, you can click on Settings at the top right corner and then use your Google, your Facebook or your Supercell ID to log in. Now, while you are logging in, you will notice that there is no password feature for your account on Merge Mansion. However, if you use Supercell, then you can click on Sign in with Supercell ID and you will see the login button. Go ahead and tap on Login and then tap on Continue in order to enter your credentials. After entering your email, tap on the Login button and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So even within this step, there is no need to enter a password as there is no feature for a password at all. So this means that there is no need to change your password within Merge Mansion. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about changing your password within the Merge Mansion game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.